So in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you should price your courses on Udemy exactly to get maximum amount of sales and maximum profit. Coming up. So hello there, my name is NickNyxson, and on this channel I help creators like you to create an amazing content and monetize it. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell, because a lot of great videos are coming up that you don't want to miss. So Udemy pricing. When you create your courses on Udemy, you should choose however you want to price it. So you want to make it cost $199 or you want to make it free. There are a lot of different pricing options for Udemy, but only two pricing options are right, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what you should choose from all of this. So I'm gonna give you an answer right away. I'm gonna tell you exactly how you should price your course, and then I'm gonna tell you why this is, and then I'm gonna tell you when there is an only reason when you should price your courses otherwise. So while pricing your course, you have really just two options. You should either make it free in order to gather as many students as possible and as many reviews as possible and as much social proof as possible, or you should price it only for $19.99, the minimum price available for Udemy. Let me explain why. You see, Udemy is the biggest online learning platform in the world by far. They have over 50 million students already, and with this 50 million students comes data of the students. They know exactly what the students are willing to buy, what they're buying, what they're looking for, and exactly how much they're willing to pay or how much they can pay. For that reason, they are running these huge marketing campaigns all over the internet, not just Udemy, on all over the major sites, in order to market those courses and to make sales as big as possible. And what you would realize that, and what you probably know as an instructor, that Udemy is constantly running sales, meaning that no matter what price you'll put on your course, it will always be discounted for whatever ad campaign has been going on. It will always be below, probably, I'm not sure, but it will always be below $18.99, and the minimum price that Udemy will sell your courses will be $9.99. Always, no matter what. So why is that? That is because Udemy knows exactly that the students, the absolute majority of the students who are coming to the platforms, are not willing to pay more than $20 per course. They know exactly that there are students and there are people who are willing to pay more, or maybe much more than that, but they know exactly who those students are, how many of them are, and what is their ratio compared to people who are willing just to pay less. And they know exactly that there are much more people who are willing to pay less than pay more, and they are willing to bet on those numerous amount of people. And with that, they are making the huge amount of money by just sheer amounts of courses sold. Despite they might be making just a few dollars on each course, they are selling so many courses that profit is becoming unbelievably high for them. They know that, and you should understand that as well. So for that reason, pricing your courses with $199 is simply stupid. Now, the stupid is it's a very strong word. It's simply not smart, because if they know that these courses will not be sold for $199, you should know this 100% as well. So why you should price your course for $19.99? You see, despite Udemy running their sales majority of time, absolute majority of time, the sales are not running all the time, and this time between sales is within 1 to 3 days. This time the courses are sold for their regular full price. But that doesn't mean that students and people are not coming on the platform during that days. They're still coming there, but when they see the huge prices, they are most likely that they will not buy any of the courses unless they find really good rated courses for the cheapest price possible, $19.99. Meaning that when they compare the two courses, which one costs $199.99 and another costs just $19.99, they will always buy the cheaper one. No matter what, they will just buy the cheaper one because it looks like a good bargain, and they are already here to buy some courses, and they will just buy the course regardless. And if your course is priced $119.99, your course just will not be sold. no matter what, there is zero chance that your course will be sold. So with pricing of $19.99 and between the sales, you have at least some chance that your course will be sold for the lowest full price available. And when the sales are running, your course that is priced $19.99 will cost exactly the same price as the course that is cost $119.99. You see where's the correlation? No matter how much you price on the sales, your courses will be sold for the same price, and when there are no sales, your courses will far likely to be sold than the higher price courses. Plus, Udemy is not giving all courses the same price, meaning that if your courses are being sold more, there is higher chance that your course will cost slightly higher price even during the sales than any other courses. For example, if you have a $19 course and another one has a $200 course, and your courses are being sold far more during the sale where every other course is like for $13, like $200, $14, your course might be sold for $14 or $15. Yes, might not sound very different, but in this case, when people have two choices to buy a $15 course or $13 course, they will see the $15 course as a better value because this one costs more and probably this should be better. That's how Udemy works, and Udemy knows that students do such things and they do such things, and for that reason you should follow their example as well. And as my example, just a few days ago when there were no sales running, I sold 3 of my courses for a full price of $19.99 with an organic sales, which means that I got $30 just from 3 sales without any promotion or anything. That means that there is a very, very high chance that your courses will be sold for $19.99 more than any other price. Only other time, now let's go to the only exception from this rule. Only other time where you should sell your courses for higher prices or highest possible prices or the prices outside of $19.99 is when you have your audience that you are selling your courses to, and you are mainly selling your courses from your promotions, and when you're opted out from Udemy Sales, meaning that no matter what, your courses will be priced the same all the time, and you're promoting your courses to your own audience, meaning that you're using Udemy as just a course hosting platform, but not a marketplace. This is the only time when you should sell your courses for the price that is different than $19.99. When I started my Udemy sales, I was looking for this information vigorously, and unfortunately, I was not able to find it because people are either not willing to tell about the pricing or they just don't understand how it works. And I had to go through and learn this my way, and I learned this because the day I put my courses for the price of $19.99, my sales started going up. Despite us being in February, the most dead month on Udemy, despite that, I managed to still get more sales than even in January, which is deemed as a really, really good month for Udemy sales. So this was it for today. I hope it was helpful because in the past, I was looking for this. I was not able to find, and fortunately for you probably, I did this video, and I hope this will help you a lot in pricing of your courses. So this was it for today. Thank you for being here with me. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want more videos like this one, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. See ya.